BBC for BBC iPlayer on mobile, an extension of the popular online service which allows audiences to enjoy 400 hours of full live and on-demand BBC programmes up to 7 days after transmission for free. Mobi TV for Mobi TV, the managed service that delivers live television, made for mobile and video on demand content, as well as digital music services from the top broadcast and cable providers and music labels for over 6 million users worldwide. Packet Video for Orange World TV for iPhone, bringing more than 60 channels of live TV and on-demand video clips in high definition to Orange customers via the French Apple App Store. Rubber Duck Media Lab for Sonophone Mobile TV, the end-to-end mobile TV and video solution that offers all Telenor Denmark's customers with 3G handsets unlimited viewing of the most popular local and major channels for a low monthly cost. Teligent Systems for the TLG 1100 and 1120, the single-chip mobile TV receiver that enables customers to receive live, analog-free TV broadcasts on their handsets without operators having to invest in infrastructure, content licensing or spectrum.